This is Dr. Abirami from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today's session we are going to discuss on generics in Java. Now, why Java generics? Let's start with this question. Why do we need it? Actually, generics allow us to write code that works with any data type but with type safety. Before generics, we had to rely on typecasting, which could lead to a runtime error. With generics, errors are caught at compile time, making the program more robust, reusable, and easier to read. Generic classes in action. Here is an example of a simple generic class box of T. The T is a placeholder for any type that we will provide later. That means we can replace T with string, number, or of any object type. So when we say box string, Java replaces T with string. This way we can create a single class that works with any type, no duplication of the code and no need for any typecasting. Let us see this code snippet. Public class box T. Inside the class we have a private T item. We have a method called set which gets item in T, and we have what is called as the get method which returns the item which is accepted. Now here T can accept an item of any type as per the program demands. Coming to generic methods. How we are going to use generic methods in code. Now let us look at a method. Just like a class, we can define methods that use type parameters. Now, these methods are going to be different from a normal method that we usually use with the program. Look at this print array method. The print array method works with arrays of any type. That means again here we are not restricting the type of the data like a string or integer or number or whatever it is. The T before the return type tells the Java that this is a generic method, and this type of a generic method improves code reuse where we write once and use it with strings, numbers, or even custom objects. In this example here we have the T void print array where array is going to contain values of any type. T gets each element of an array and it prints that particular item. Bounded type parameters. Here we are going to put limits on the type of the value which you are going to use with generics. So this is called as a bounded generics. Sometimes we want to limit what type of a data that can be used. For example, we may want to have a method that accepts only numbers or accept only strings or accept any other custom object type. That's where this bounded type parameter is going to be often used. We use T extends number to say that T must be a number or it can include a number of its subclass. Let us write a generic code here for this particular number specific operation. So this code is going to have public T extends number and a method show value which is going to take the value in T and it prints the value. Remember here the method can use a value in T which should be only a number which can be a whole integer or it can be of a float type. Now, look at this example. Public void process of list. Less than question mark extends number greater than list. Here we can use numbers of any type like integer, float, etc. Thank you.